Matt, why are they taking forever?
Don't ask me.
Well, they need to hurry up, because I'm thirsty, and so are the girls, and we're going to get home late tonight, and I'm going to be really mad, because then I won't get to see my best friends who live down in the trailer park. And Mama, if you watching this, you better hurry your butt up home. Got anything to add to that, Matt?
It'll be after dark whenever we get home.
I know, you got anything to add to that, Matt?
No.
You sure? Say hey.
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 Say peace.
Peace.
Do this.
Peace.
Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hey.
Peace. Do this.
Peace.
No, do this.
Peace.
Let's see. No, that's 2 fingers, you ding dong.
Baby.
2 fingers. Alright, look at me. Peace.
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 Mama.
Peace.
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 Move your face in closer. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Move your
Peace.
face in closer. Ready? And say peace.
Okay. Peace.
Abigail, honey, you don't. Come here. I'm sorry. Nina, sorry. Can I kiss it? Can I kiss it? You're on video. You gonna misbehave on video? Abigail, I'm sorry, but you don't say peace. You just go peace. Okay. You say peace. Peace.
No.
Yes. Don't pick your nose. It's on camera. What is wrong with our children today? Don't hit the camera either. I'm in my shade, and you better hurry your little butt up. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Got anything to add to that, Matthew?
No, I don't.